Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most stunning designs of handmade crochet table runner articles ideas. It's very trending, attractive and cool designs. So you will pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself. And please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending design of handmade crochet table runner ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet table runner articles. So pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for your tables, for your gifting and others. So these are very amazing collection and very attractive collection. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So even now I am share with you the benefits of crochet table runners ideas. Number 1, adds a touch of handmade charm. A crochet table runner brings a personal and cozy feel to your home decor. Protect surface. A table runner can shield your table from sketches and scratches and spills and heat damage. Easy to clean, most crochet table runner are machine washable, making maintenance a breeze. Durable. With proper care, a crochet table runner can last for years even it's with frequent use. Versatile. Can be used at tables, shelves, or even as a wall hanging. Customizable. Choose the yarn, color, and design to fit your home decor and personal styles. Unique. Each crochet table runner is handmade, making it a one of a kind piece of your for your home. Adds texture and inserts. A crochet table runner can add depth and visual appeals to your table setting. Can be used as a centerpiece. A beautiful crochet table runner can be a focal point of your table setting. Making a thoughtful gift. A handmade crochet table runner makes a lovely gift for your friends and your family. Overall, a crochet table runner offers a perfect blend of functionality, style, and handmade charms, making it a great addition to your home. So, viewer, I hope you all are agree and you all are understand with the benefits of crochet table runners. Now, viewer, I am share with you the main question in all the beginners' mind: what is the crochet? So I am share with you what is the crochet. It's a crochet, a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework techniques that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. Weaver, if you are interested to learning how to crochet, I can provide you some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, with tips and inspiration for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience, share what is in your mind. And weavers, crochet, some fun facts about crochet. I am share with you some fun facts about crochet. So crochet meaning is hook, and it's a French word. And the first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. And the most common crochet hook materials are aluminum, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. Happy crocheting! If you love this article, weaver, and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.